Good everyone, welcome to part 3 of our supplemental video. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about vector addition of electric forces on the line. So let's try to answer this one. 2-point charges are located at the x-axis of coordinate system. We have charge 1, which is equal to 1.0 nanocoulomb, and it is located at x is equal to 2.0 centimeters, while our charge 2 is equal to negative 3.0 nanocoulomb, and it is located at positive 4.0 centimeters. So all we have to do here is that we are going to calculate the total electric force exerted by Q1 and Q2 on charge 3, where charge 3 has a charge value of 5.0 nanocoulomb, which is located at the center. Now, let's proceed with our solution. So again, kailangan natin isulat yung mga given values natin para ma-notice natin kung meron pa ba tayong kailangang baguhin or kailangang i-transform. In this case, mapapansin natin that these are not written in the standard form. So dapat kailangan nating i-transform muna to or i-convert. So magiging 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. Ito namang sa baba, or itong x sub 1 natin naman, this is 2 point, no, not 2 point. That would be 0.02 meters. Itong charge 2 naman natin, that is negative 3.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. Samantalang itong x2 natin, that is 0.04 meters. Yung charge 3 naman natin, that would be 5.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. Okay? So, itong mga values na ito is very important kasi pag hindi natin yan nasunod, magkakaroon tayo ng problem sa magiging final answer natin. Okay? So, let's proceed with the illustration na meron tayo dito. So dito sa illustration natin, we have diagram A and diagram B. Dito sa diagram A, pinapakita dito yung current situation, kung saan yung position ng charges natin at ano yung mga distances nila towards each other at yung mga charges that they carry. Okay? So mapapansin natin dito that Q3 is at the center with its charge, at yung Q1 naman natin is nandito, which is a positive charge. Yung Q2 naman natin is negative charge. By just looking at this, mapapansin na kagad natin na yung Q1 at Q3 is magkakaroon ng repulsion, samantalang yung Q2 at Q3 magkakaroon ng attraction. Okay? Now, para mas maging klaro sa atin, let us look at the free body diagram for Q3. Notice here na force 1 on 3 is going towards the opposite direction. Bakit kaya? Because they will be pushing each other. So, force 1 on 3 is a repulsive force. Okay? Samantalang dito naman sa charge 2 natin, since it is negative and Q3 is positive, they will have an attractive force. So, Q2 will be attracting Q3. So that is why ito ngayon yung free body diagram natin. Okay? So now let's proceed with solving force on force of 1 on 3 and force of 2 on 3. Sige. Let us try to look if meron ba tayong problema dito. Force 1 on 3. So we have 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught times the absolute value of the product of Q1 and Q3 divided by R squared sub 1, 3. So tama yan, wala tayong problema dyan. So let's try if the given values na sinulat natin is tama. Okay? Sige. This one is absolutely right. That is simply the constant value. Samantalang yung Q1 natin, tama ba? Yung Q1 ba natin is negative 3.0? Q1. Oh, it's not. So, ibig sabihin, mali itong nakasulat dito. Okay? So dapat yung value dito is 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. But the rest, tama na yan. Yung Q3 natin, tama. Yung separation distance naman natin is, tama naman. That is 0.020 meters. Okay? Because this is the one. Okay? Now, upon calculation, yung makukuha nating sagot is 1.12 times 10 to the power of negative 4 Newton. So, pwede rin natin yan i-express in micronewton. So, that is 112 micronewton. Okay, that is our answer. Okay, ang mali lang natin dito is yung pagkasulat ng value dito. Instead na negative 3.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9, that should be 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. Okay? But upon calculation, we will arrive with this answer. So, nagkamali lang tayo ng pag-input. Now, let's proceed with force of 2 on Q3. So, kung titingnan natin, are we correct here? 2 on 3. So, we have charge 2, charge 3. Yung R natin dito is mali yung subscript. So, dapat palitan natin yan. So, yung R dapat natin dyan is R squared 2, 3. Okay? So, that's another thing na dapat nating i-notice. Now, dito sa mga values na meron tayo, this is the constant value. So, that's correct. Yung Q2 naman natin, is mali. So, this is wrong. So, nagkapalit sila ng values kanina. So, dapat ang isulat natin dyan, that should be, wait lang ha. Ang isulat dapat natin dyan is, this one should be negative 3.0 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. Okay? Pero yung Q3 naman natin is tama. Tapos, yung value naman natin sa R sub 23 is correct, which is 0.04 meters. So, upon calculation, yung final answer natin dyan is 84 micronewton. Okay, that is the force exerted by charge 2 on 3. This is the force exerted by charge 1 on charge 3. Okay, take note of the changes that we have made here kasi nagkaroon tayo ng error sa pag-type. Meron tayong typo error. Type error. Ano bang tawag dyan? So now let's proceed. So, para makuha natin yung net force, simply all we have to do is to write it in vector form. Okay? Kasi yung final answer natin should be expressed in vector form. So, F1 on 3. So, F1 on 3, that is going to be negative. It is because it is going towards the negative direction. Okay? Negative. Samantalang si F2 on 3, that is positive because it is going towards the positive direction. Kaya, kung i-add na natin, simple ito yung mangyayari. F3 is equal to the sum of all the forces acting on it. So by putting all the values, we have negative 112 micronewton sub I plus 84 micronewton sub I is equal to negative 28 micronewton. So this is now our final answer. Okay, that is our final answer. Again ha, don't forget na nagkaroon tayo dito ng correction. Mali itong value natin dito, pero yung answer natin is tama. Mali lang yung pagka-input. Dito rin mali yung value natin dito, nagkapalit sila. Pero yung sagot natin is still correct. Okay? At dito naman yung subscript natin, dapat hindi yan r squared sub 1, 3. Dapat nagiging r squared is equal, r squared, wait lang ha, dapat magiging r squared sub 2, 3. Okay? Ito dapat ang nandito sa baba. So that's it. I hope it's clear and I hope it cleared your mind. Okay? So thank you for watching. Study the video that we have. Pag hindi pa masyadong klaro, just revisit the video at panoorin ulit. Okay? Thank you very much for watching.